Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will share with you step by step how to buy and sell on tradovate platform. So this is the platform. Just open your account from this section. You will choose live or similar account from this section, and then I have just this similar account or demo account. If you want to buy, you have this section here. You can choose your indexes or show indicator you want to buy, or crypto, or any of this one. For example, US, this one U6. Click buy if you want to buy, and then choose your quantity you want to buy from this section. You can also sell on this section. Click sell. Just click on sell this option. Account is not specified. Just from this section, click buy. You can also buy from this section. And then from here you have different things. You have a Nasdaq, you have a lot of options. If you want to buy, just click this icon buy, and then choose your quantity you want to buy. Quantity, select your quantity here, order type, limit or market, and then click send. If you want to sell, just click this icon to sell. You can set up your profit. This one you can choose your order here, your quantity, and then click send option, and then click OK. Just fill all this information from here and then click send. This is how you can do, friends. Basically, this is the price you want to sell, this is the price you want to buy. Choose the indicator here and then choose your quantity, click send. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this